Semi-final round. These are our first round winners in top door slammer. Well, you got Sean Nagy's number up. Okay, never mind.
Todd Lesas, 84 C28 from Gold City. Doorstrap Forestry Lane. Let's see what Todd put down here in the first round. Lesas ran, looks like a 501. Drew Williams, the 70 Nova from Manton. And Williams put down a 506. So we're nicely matched. 501 and a 506. Drew Williams Nova, the 70 Chevrolet for the Roofing Doctors. Todd Lesas, got the big 427, small block actually. Small block Chevy. For Lesas in the C28 Camaro, the Woodstock Forestry Lanes, a 501 and a 503. Those were the numbers for the first round. Nicely matched up here. Who's going into the final? Winner's bracket. Top door slammer. Saturday night, Northern Michigan Dragway. 012, 076. In and out. Wind light's going to go to Lesas. 497 at 151
wow, close race.
miles an hour. A 508 at 135 the mile per hour.
300th margin of victory. Really close race.
So 300ths of a second, the margin of victory on that pair. Woo! So Todd Lesas, who's Todd going to meet in the final? And Bird Box Bob getting things cleaned up and juiced and ready for our final pair from this round. We're going to have Tim Higgins come to the line. Tim Higgins laid down the fast 18, the 455. Ron with a 480. Here's your fast fare. Kids, cover those ears. Don't tell me you didn't see that coming. Lesas, 84C28. You've got Tim Higgins. Corvette, 540 cubic inch Chevrolet. Tim Higgins out of City, Michigan. Up with Ron Brow out of Belmont, Michigan. Performance. Right into the green. Here we go. Door to door down the top end. Taking the win. It's going to be Tim Higgins, a 469, 152 miles an hour. Ron Brown, 484, 156 miles an hour.
Both racers double parachutes. That's awesome down top end.
Beautiful. Both of our cars pulling the double parachutes down at the top end. So we have our ladder all set up for our final round. Consolation bracket and our winner's bracket.
Bracket 1. Processes bracket 1, round number 2. Byron?
Kyle Yako.
Kyle Yako, you have the